Oh, hey honey, so tonight I am preparing a ragu bolognese. So, can you measure out 3/4 pound of ground beef for me, please? Yeah, the scale is right there in the drawer underneath that first cabinet. What's wrong? You said you can't do it? Why? Is the batteries dead in it? Oh, so the batteries are good? I thought so. Them were loose batteries. Oh, you don't know how to measure that out? Okay, that's alright, honey. Let's figure it out. Alrighty, Mivita. Since there is no way to see 3/4 of a pound on the scale, we need to convert that fraction into a decimal. So this is how we're gonna do it, okay? So we are going to take 3/4, all right? And first we need to see how many times 4 can go into 3. So this is our denominator and this is our numerator. All right? Yeah, good job, you remember. So in order to see how many times the 4 goes into the 3, we're gonna set this up like a long division problem, okay? We're gonna do it just like this. Alright, so can you tell me how many times 4 can go into 3? Can it go maybe 1 time? No, because 4 is bigger than 3. Good. So we're going to place a 0 here and we're going to put our decimal right behind it, okay? So now that we have it set up like this, we know that 4 can go into 3 0 times. So now we have to pop our imaginary goose egg right here. Okay, that gives us 30. All right. Okay, so now how many times can the number 4 go into 30? Can it go 5 times? Yes, it can. Can it go 8 times? Maybe not, because that would be too big. How about 7? Because 7 times 4 is, good job, it is 28. So now we're going to put 7 here, and then we're going to subtract the 28 from 30. And be very careful with your math here, because if you don't do it right, your calculations will be off. All right, so we're gonna do some more basic math. So we're gonna have to borrow from this 3, all right? If you forget to borrow from this 3, you will end up with 12, and that is wrong. And we're gonna add what we borrowed to this 0. Now we have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. If you, again, forget to borrow, you will end up with 3 minus 2 is just 1, and this will be 2 digits off, okay? So now to wrap it up, we need another imaginary goose egg. And how many times can 4 go into 20? 7 times? No, because we know that 4 times 7 is 28. What about 6? Nope, because 6 times 4 is 24. So, what about 5? Good. 4 times 5 is 20. So now, when you measure the ground beef out for me, you will look for the scale to read 0.75, and that is how you know we have 3/4. Love you.